the last line of defense for the Bitcoin. Yes, you heard me. The last line of defense for the Bitcoin is this area here. We've been looking at the Bitcoin for a little while now, and then we said it moves in patterns. Everything moves in patterns, and this was the last line of defense for the sellers. If this area should fail, meaning that as it's dropping now, it's about 47,000. If it fails, meaning that if it pushes higher, you could easily use it as a springboard to push higher some more, and maybe we could see the highs of this year 64,000 marker. But that doesn't seem so now. So you need to watch this pattern. This pattern here is known as the rising wedge, and of course, as you can see, this is also still at that 50 to 61.8 fib marker. And then we said this area here is very important as a flip zone. I'm going to mark the area here. As you can see, this is the area that we're talking about here. So this here is a flip zone. Flip zone is an area that has acted, as you can see over here, resistance, support, resistance, support, 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 and a little support here. So now this is more or less like after a while, it's coming back to test this area. So this area naturally should act as resistance, and we could also see another retest. And I'm not even joking. We could see another retest of this 28,700 marker. Yes, we can. You heard it very well. If this pattern should hold, it could drop. Once it drops, the only area that I can see that might give it some little issue might be this box over here. This area here, because if you look very well, this area also matches what we have here as a little form of support, resistance, and you can see some little resistance, resistance here, and then pulling back all the way here to resistance. This could be the only area that might just give me some little trouble before it hits 28,700 marker. Please pay attention to this chart. Watch this video over and over again, and then of course it will make more and more sense. If it was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. And if you are here for the first time, if you are joining this channel for the first time, please subscribe. It will indeed help the algorithm, and of course you get to see more videos as they come out, and then you can take advantage of them. Thank you, everybody. It has indeed been a pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.